Jamaica
Up first
Watch
this
this.
evening, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is reporting 17 police fatal shootings in the first 8 days of 2026.
The update comes as some civil society groups continue to raise alarm over the increase. 310 fatal police shootings were recorded for 2025 and 189 in 2024.
Meanwhile, a policeman who refused to provide a statement to INDECOM has to pay $350,000 or serve 30 days in prison.
The sentence was handed down to Constable Ornardo Walker yesterday when he appeared before the St. Andrew Parish Court. He pleaded guilty on November 25 last year.
Now, INDECOM says the offense stems from an allegation of assault on July 28, 2018 in Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew. During the investigation, Constable Walker was identified as one of the first responders on the scene and was served with a notice to provide a statement to the commission.
Despite numerous requests, Constable Walker failed to comply with the notice, and in a statement today, the oversight body warned all police personnel that failure to comply with any lawful requirement of the commission without lawful justification or excuse constitutes an offense.